Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's manufacturing industry, speed, precision and strong fastening are essential for delivering high quality products. Introducing the CDS10M Capacitor Discharge Stud Welder from Cruxweld Industrial Equipments Private Limited, a compact, intelligent and high efficient stud welding solution designed for fast, clean and reliable welding. Whether you are working with stainless steel, mild steel or aluminum sheets, the CDS10M ensures exceptional welding quality while protecting the surface of the workpiece. In this video, we will explore the machine, explain its key functions, and demonstrate its outstanding welding performance. Here is the CDS10M Capacitor Discharge Stud Welder. Designed with advanced capacitor discharge technology, this machine delivers extremely fast welding cycles, making it ideal for thin sheet metal applications where heat distortion must be minimized. Its compact design allows easy portability, while the robust construction ensures reliable performance in demanding industrial environments. The user-friendly control panel enables quick parameter adjustment, allowing operators to achieve consistent and repeatable welding results. Let's take a closer look at the machine's key features. The CDS10M is equipped with an intelligent control system that allows precise adjustment of welding energy according to the stud size and material thickness. Now let's see the CDS10M in action. After selecting the appropriate welding parameters, the stud is loaded into welding gun and positioned on the workpiece. With a simple trigger press, the capacitor releases stored energy in just a few milliseconds, creating a strong metallurgical bond between the stud and the base material. Notice how quickly the welding process is completed. The weld is clean, consistent and requires no additional drilling or fastening. The finished weld demonstrates excellent strength and outstanding surface quality. If you are looking for a fast, efficient and professional stud welding solution, the CDS10M Capacitor Discharge Stud Welder is the perfect choice. Designed for precision, built for reliability and engineered to improve productivity, it is the ideal partner for modern manufacturing. For more information, product demonstration or inquiries, contact Cruxweld Industrial Equipments Private Limited. Thank you for watching. For more information, product demonstration or customized welding solutions, connect with Cruxweld Industrial Equipments Private Limited. Together, let's build stronger connections with advanced welding technology. For more information, you can visit our site www.cruxweld.com. Thank you.